All right, so we're picnicking over here.
Picnic time.
And I have my bars.
And I have my bites, and they're delicious.
So good. Also, look at these flowers. Oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Piece of Cake. I'm Sarah.
I'm Brooke.
And we are excited to be baking with you once again.
Today we're going to be making some no-bake granola bars and granola bites.
Yeah, so these are super easy. They are very quick if you just need a last-minute snack to make, and they can be top 9 free. So I'll be making a version that's free of all allergens except for coconut, but that's a special add-on. So if you're allergic to coconut, you don't need to include that in your recipe. Let's get started. What do we need?
So we need some rolled oats, Rice Krispies, some sun butter or nut butter, whatever's safe for you, soy butter, any of those. There are a lot of options now. Honey and vanilla and some salt.
Yeah, and then there are some add-ons. So the things that you'll see us use today, we have craisins, dried coconut, and chocolate chips. But you can also add chia seeds or any type of seed or dried fruit that you'd like to your version. So let's do it.
Yes.
Today there's no oven, hence the no bake.
I'm so excited about that.
Very easy. So the first thing that you need are 2 cups of oats. So ours are gluten-free because I'm gluten-free. So
special.
You can use any oats, 2 cups of those. 1.5 cups of Rice Krispie or Rice Krispie cereal. So 1.5 cups. Brooks is a little less than 1.5 now. Dump that in.
Let's just taste testing. Important.
Always. So up next we are going to do the salt and the vanilla. So it's a very, very small amount of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon or literally a pinch. So
wow, very small amount. I like salty foods.
Do you want the salt in your own hand?
Yeah.
So it's trying to just help you out.
Oh,
oh my god. I should have just helped you out.
Too
Definitely not a
clue. Over there.
So it's supposed to be a 1/4 teaspoon of
How's
salt.
that look?
Very small amount. That is still a lot of salt. You really like salt, so maybe you want yours
love
a little
salty.
All right, there you go.
Like,
oh, pour that in.
Popcorn, always add a lot of salt.
Next, we are going to do the vanilla. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So we're actually going to be doing 2 different versions, as you can see. Brooke will be making the bars, I'll be making the bites. Same exact ingredients, except we're using 2 different butters. So I'm using the chocolate sun butter,
and I'm using Coconut's chocolate soy butter.
What we're going to do first, we are going to measure out the honey into 2 separate bowls. We can use the same measuring cup to start. Then I'll measure my sun butter, and then we'll measure Brooke's soy butter. If you are measuring honey and you're worried that it's gonna stick to the cup, just spray a little Pam or whatever you can use onto the cup, and the honey won't stick, and it'll just come right out.
Wow.
So that's my quick tip of the day.
Nice.
So now,
here we go.
We're gonna be here a while.
Oh my god.
Slow moving honey, and I think Brooke's using all of her muscles.
Every single one.
So we will pour that into our microwave safe bowl right here. Just grabbing your hand, you can't even move. 1/2 cup of honey. Going right in.
Oh! I poured salt in that bowl before.
You're gonna have an extra salty snack.
I think we're just gonna leave that. We're just gonna try it out.
Up until this point, everything has been totally safe for both of us. However, I cannot have soy. So we are going to do my sun butter first, that's safe for me, and microwave mine, and then we'll get Brooke's going. So you're gonna want 1/2 cup of whatever butter it is that you're using. And then when you microwave it, the goal is for it to kind of melt together. So you don't want the honey and the sun butter to be separated, or again, any butter you're using, you want it to all be together. 1/2 cup of the chocolate sun butter, dumping that in to the honey. And I'm going to microwave this sun butter honey combination for 30 seconds and then check it. So if I am able to mix the 2 together after 30 seconds, then it's ready. Otherwise, I'll just keep going in 15-second increments until the mixture is all mixed together.
And I'll still just be here trying to get this out of the can.
All right, so mine is ready. Here we go. And
wow.
Maybe we'll give everyone a little bit of a close-up so they can see the consistency.
Let me get that close-up for you.
So, see that the sun butter and the honey have totally come together. And that's what you want. So you want them to melt into one another.
It looks so fudgy.
Yeah, looks really good. It actually smells really good too. All right, and let's get yours all microwaved so we can
let's do that.
Move on to the next step.
Ooh, looks like chocolate soup.
So you'll just want to mix yours up.
I'm good at that.
Yep.
Oh wow, yeah, so 30 seconds was perfect for mine.
Yeah, so again, we had different consistencies. I could kind of tell before hers went in, so that's why you just want to keep checking it while you're microwaving it after those 30 seconds. So before we pour this in, we can pour in any of our add-ons that won't melt. So for us, that means we're going to be doing craisins and
I love
shredded coconut. We did about a 1/4 cup of coconut and a 1/4 cup of craisins. I never had safe granola bars growing up, and still it's so hard to find ones that don't have may contain warnings or actually have allergens in it. So being able to make these so quickly and easily is a huge win. So we love them.
And they're so easy to just take with us on the go.
Yeah, so true.
Right.
We wrap them individually and they are good. All right, so we're dumping in this mixture. You want to get as much out of the bowl as you can.
Mine's gonna be so nice and salty.
Yeah, and then this butter honey mixture is pretty warm right now, so that's why we didn't put the chocolate chips in yet, because otherwise then the chocolate chips would all just melt into it. So you want to wait until you mix it up a bit and then add the chocolate chips. So Brooke is going to do hers as bars and I'm going to do mine as bites. So I'm going to be scooping mine right onto a pan. I'm using a metal pan because we're actually going to pop these into the freezer. You can also put them in the refrigerator. It depends, you know, if you want them super quickly, you might want to put them in the freezer so that they set faster. But if you have time, just pop them in the fridge.
Or if you just want to eat it like this, go ahead. I like it.
Does. But with hers, what we're going to do, dump that on there. So I'm going to start scooping mine into little balls. So if you're doing it my way, you want to make sure that they're packed really tight. So
I didn't even add the chocolate chips.
Oh my god, I didn't either.
I'm gonna sprinkle the chocolate chips on top.
And I'm gonna dump mine in because I still have time.
I'll show you what mine looks like now.
Ta-da! Perfect. So what we're gonna wanna do is take another piece of parchment paper or wax paper.
I'm gonna dump chocolate chips on it first.
And then we're gonna press down really hard. So that's, again, if you're using like a cookie scoop or ice cream scoop like I am, then you wanna put it all in there and then press it against the side of the bowl so it packs really tight and maintains that little bite shape. You also could roll these in something if you wanted to. So I like them just how they are, but if you wanted to roll them in cinnamon or cocoa powder, anything on the outside, then you could do that as well and they would work.
Hot sauce.
That's funny.
Sarah recently discovered that she likes spicy food.
Yeah, I think I was always nervous about spicy food because it made my tongue feel weird. And I thought then it must mean an allergic reaction, but now I realize I actually think I like spicy food.
It's kind of funny.
It is funny.
It's kind of sad, kind of funny.
So you want to really press this down so that they'll be in bars.
I'm proud of you.
For which part?
Trying new foods.
Thanks. Brooke, yours are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Mine, I think, are also looking pretty good. Oh my god. So, Brooke is gonna keep eating everything, so you may or may not see these bars after they're chilled, but we're gonna pop these in the fridge. They taste absolutely delicious. We hope that you guys make them.
Wow.
If you do, tag us on Instagram. I'm at Girl Behind the Hive.
I'm at BHA474.
And we will see you real soon. Bye!
Springtime's fun, except for when you're Brooke and have seasonal allergies.
So many seasonal allergies. But
I got all the food allergies.
sprung.
Yeah, she got the seasonal ones. All right, here we go.
Or eat it, or
So good. Delicious, quick,
love it.
amazing. See you guys
Wow.
next time. Bye.